It was a fine sunny day. There was a dog named Zozo who loved munching on leftover junk food. He was searching junk food in the garden, but he was finding only the fruits everywhere. Yes, he found burger. And junk food made him really sick. Luckily, his kind owner Lexus stepped in and made him understand about the benefits of eating fruits. That made him strong and happy again. Then he ate some fruits and his playful spirit returned, showing everyone how eating good stuff can keep you lively and cheerful. He started teaching everyone that tasty fruits and veggies can keep you healthy and joyful. Now, guess which fruit Zozo is eating? Thank you everyone for watching this video, and show your love by liking this video and also do share it, and those who are new to our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.